What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Len, and today on this video I'm going to talk about the reasons why your beard is not growing or not thicker, and hopefully I'm gonna give you the solutions that I have that can help your beard to go thicker and grow at the same time. But before I say anything about these things, I just like to say thank you very much guys for watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, and also not forgetting those who comment and like these videos. It really means a lot to me guys. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, especially when you like or you feel like these videos are motivating you to grow a beard. Now let's start, man. Let's start. First of all, we all know, if you don't know, then we are using minoxidil to grow a beard. You see this beard that I have right now, I would never gonna have it if I wasn't using minoxidil. I've been trying to grow a beard for years and nothing like this ever happened. I would have some beard and patchy beard, trying to use different of products that I could come across, and they never work. The only thing that actually worked for me, it's only minoxidil. So some of the people, they were like, you've been using this thing and you don't have a thick beard. Now this is one of the reasons why I don't have a thick beard personally, is because of the genetics. I do not have great genetics when it comes to beard growth, but it doesn't mean that I do not have beard growth. It's just that my beard follicles, they are far apart, man. They are far apart. When I look at my beard, I can see that I have a lot of spaces whereby there is no beard follicles. So there's misconception that when you use minoxidil, your beard will go thick and you grow like crazy beard. No, it goes with your genetics. Minoxidil will never create follicles. If you don't have follicles in that area, you will never grow. So it's one of the things, man. I have less dense follicles, but my beard, it is growing. So for me guys, in fact for guys like me who have follicles that are far apart, you can let your beard grow a bit longer so that you just brush it down to cover those spots that doesn't have beard follicles. So this is one of the reasons why your beard is not thicker or it is not growing. So reason number 2 why your beard is not growing or thicker is because you're not consistent enough. You see, if you are not consistent guys, you are not helping your beard to grow, you're actually delaying your beard to grow. So consistency, it differs guys. But what I can tell you is you can at least try to apply minoxidil once a day. Never go a day without applying minoxidil. If you want to maximize the growth and you have time, I would say apply it twice a day, in the morning and at night or afternoon. It depends on you, man, in the morning or at night. But make sure that you do apply minoxidil every day. Now the third reason why your beard is not thick or your beard is actually not growing is because of time. Probably if you have just started your journey, you just need to be patient guys. If you have not yet reached the 3 months mark and nothing is growing there, no, you don't see anything, you just need to be patient, because sometimes it works differently guys. It works very differently. Hence you'll hear a lot of minoxidil users telling you guys, never compare yourself with another minoxidil user. It's because of the following reason that I'm about to tell you, is that for some people it might take 3 months and you see nothing, and then on the fourth month you will see crazy gains, like they will come like this, and then you'll be like, what? I never expected this. So it happens. Some people, they just apply minoxidil and nothing happens, and then after 4 months, and then they start to see crazy gains, man, like crazy, way better than mine. So for some people it grows as they apply every week. You can see some results, they gradually so growing. So those are most people, that's what they're experiencing. And some people, they just see crazy gains within a week or within 2 weeks. In fact, within 2 weeks they just see crazy gains. So we are different as people, so just keep on applying minoxidil for the right period of time. And another reason why your beard is not thick or stronger is because you are not boosting it. Remember, this thing react differently from all of us. This is not necessary. This is for people who are struggling like myself, man. People like myself who don't have thick beard. I would say to you, use supplements. Take supplements. Take biotins. Take collagens. Those things will help your beard to grow stronger and healthier, because biotins are very good for your skin, for your nails, and also for your hair. So since beard is part of hair, it can actually help your beard to grow. Collagens is also good for your skin. So collagens, it's actually for me, the main reason I'm using collagens, or the main reason why I'm taking collagens, because there is a rumor, I'm not so sure about that when you apply minoxidil, it kind of reduces the production of collagen in your face. It makes you look a bit older. So I don't want to look older, so I take my collagens to counteract that thing. So I would advise you guys to also take collagens, man. Just take collagens, don't just risk it, because you might avoid and find out you're one of those people who get affected by such. So take collagens as well. So another reason probably why your beard is not growing thicker and longer, it is because you're not dermarolling. Yes, dermarolling, that's one of the things that I'm also not doing because of the side effect. If I dermaroll, my acne spread throughout my face. I have a very sensitive skin, man, and I'm so stubborn. I should stop using minoxidil, but I'm so stubborn. I don't know why, because I want the beard. And tell you this, man, having a beard does change your life. More about that later on. But anyway, you should use a dermaroller. You should dermaroll at least once a week. If you want to maximize, and if you feel like once a week is not enough, you can dermaroll twice a week. I think dermarolling twice a week is the maximum number that you can go. So you can also dermaroll twice a week. Dermarolling, guys, it produces collagen. It helps your skin to produce collagen. It also helps your beard to grow. So I would say to you guys, dermaroll as well. I think that's one of the reasons why my beard is not this thick. I like genuinely, so I'm thinking that is one of the reasons why my beard is not thick. But you know what, I have to be honest with you, man. I have to be honest with you. I'm being in this journey for some time, and I really appreciate the beard that I have. The beard that I used to have before minoxidil, it was whack, man. It was whack. The last one is grooming your beard. Now, grooming your beard, guys, not only applying minoxidil and washing it every day or washing your face. No, actually means go to the barber to line your beard, or you can line it on your own, but I would prefer go to the professional to line your beard. And then if you have some beard oil, apply it, because you know those things, they are more like food, man. They are hair food, just like any type of your hair in your head and your hair in your face, they need some maintenance. So groom it. The more you groom it, it won't make your beard grow, but it will help your beard not to break, because you see what happens when the hair is dry, it tends to break, and your beard, it will break if you don't apply some beard oil, and also if you don't groom it and take care of it. It will be everywhere and it will look messy, man. So groom your beard. Make sure that you groom your beard. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.